Tracy Sews, Tracy McElfresh, Dayton, Ohio. I'm here to talk about alterations today. So I am removing zippers from some pants and replacing them. Always a fun job. So my tip today is not to worry about the length of the zipper that you're gonna need. I go ahead and I measure with my measuring device, see how long it is, and then I just buy a bunch of zippers that are actually longer than what I need, and then I quickly measure how much I need, and then I go over to my sewing machine and I sew a bar tack stitch back and forth over and over and over again, so that when it comes time to put the zipper in, it won't go any further down and I can just cut the end off. No more worrying about how long my zipper is. I can go with any size that I want as long as it's a little longer and fix it with that stitch. So that's it. Tracy Sews, Tracy McElfresh, Dayton, Ohio. Alterations, custom work, dresses. Of course, I love dresses. Have a great day. Bye.